Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the Chevrolet Trailblazer. I have changed the engine oil and I'm going to show you how to reset the engine light. So let me show you. After replacing the engine oil, when we start it, and the light stays on, change engine oil. And I will show you how we can do it. Turn off your car. This is what we need to do. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're not going to start it. That's it. And now, on the accelerator pedal, we're going to press it 3 times. And when I'm going to press it 3 times, within 5 seconds, we're going to press it 3 times. As I'm going to press it, and you can see it. 1, 2, 3. And the engine light, as you see, it started to blink. And now it goes away. So it's disappeared. So now we're going to start it. And you see there is no more oil light. It's been resetted. So that's how it's easy and simple. You can reset your oil life on Chevrolet Trailblazer. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.